Indawo engcwele enothile ngamagugu ambiwayo, ikhaya lokhokho besizwe sa-Bakgalaka esafika kule ndawo ngeminyaka yo-1700. Phezulu kule ntaba kunamaliba amathathu abaholi balesi sizwe okukhona kuso inkosi uTongogara. Kuqopheka umlando kule ndawo nonyaka. Utho kwenziwe Abe-Sunparks ubaqinisekisa ukuthi lo mhlaba ungowabo, uthi kubanika ithemba lokuthi ngolunye usuku bazovuna abakutshalile.
I'm very much excited and overwhelmed at the same time by what is happening here, because you'll never know that this thing was going to happen or not.
Umphakathi ukhala ngokubize ngokubambezeleka okwenziwa abekhomishana ezemhlaba ukusiza njengabanikazi balomhlaba.
I'm tongue-tied to say that we are still struggling. We are still struggling. The commissioners do not want to gazette our land for some reason that we don't know.
Abe-Sunparks bafuna ukusebenzisa leli sonto lokungena mahhala eziqiwini ukukhombisa izivakashi ukuthi iziqiwi i-Kruger National Parks zinokuningi okungakhonjiswa kuso khona nezilwane ezinhlanu eziyigugu kulelizwe i-Big Five.
As a SANParks, it's not just access of people coming to see elephants and other animals. We have a wealth of cultural heritage in this park, and this hill where we are today, it's one of those elements of cultural heritage which we are now exposing to the general public. When you drive, you see a lot of hills inside the park and valleys, but normally you will just look at them and not know what is happening. But there were people who settled here, and these were people who were very crafty. These are people who were beneficiating minerals and creating equipment which they were using.
Isonto i-SanParks Week liqale ngomsombuluko.